Hello everyone, so in this video, let us talk about an easy problem from Leetcode. The problem name is backspace string compare. So the problem statement goes like this, that you're given two strings s and t. Return true if they are equal when both are typed into an empty text editor where hash means a backspace character. Now you have to note that after backspacing an empty text, the text will continue to be an empty string. Okay, so let's take an example. Let's say that you have this string. You type in an empty keyboard, first type A, then B, and hash means that you do a backspace. So it is A, then B, but you backspace, so it only remains A. Then you do C. So the final string will be AC. Similarly, in this string as well, you first type A, then D, then you do backspace. So backspace means that you remove the last character, so it becomes A, then you add C. So both of these string becomes AC after like this operation. So you just have to tell that whether they are same or not. Now it is very simple that you just have to keep on building the string, and if you're C and hash, you have to remove the last character that you have just added. And if there is like if the hashes are more and even there is no more character, then you will not pop out or remove out extra character. So let's say there's A, B, and then there are three hash. So you will first remove the, so you first put A, then you put B. Okay, so let's say the string is like this: A, B, hash, 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 which means that you first type A, then you type B, then you do a backspace. So backspace means that you remove this, then you do this, which means again backspace, so you remove this. Now you move to this. When you move to this, there's again backspace, but because there's no more character, even if you press a backspace, nothing is removed because there is nothing. So the final string is an empty string. Okay, so you will only keep on deleting if there are some characters in the string that you are building, and in the end we have the final string. We just have to match it out. So it's very simple now that we have to first build out the complete string and then just match the two strings eventually. So it's very simple. Now let's move on to the code part. So what we have done here is that we have to first build a new string. Now the string already has a functionality in which you can pop out the last character. So you will iterate over this string and you have to build a new string. Now what you'll do is that if the ith character you are iterating over this original string, that is this s. Okay, if the ith character is a hash, then what you'll do, if there is still some more character in the new string, then only you will pop back the last character, which actually means this. Let's say that you are iterating over the string, the first character is A, so you will keep on push back the new character inside this new string. So you first find out A, so you push back in the new string A, then you find out B, so you push back again, like append one more character B inside this new string. Like you will keep on doing that. Now when you find out a hash, what you'll do, you will pop the back character, that you will remove the last character, that is B, so you'll remove, which means that you have done a backspace. But you can only do a backspace if there is some characters inside this new string that you're building. So if the new string size is greater than 0, then only you can do a backspace. Okay, and then you will keep on building this whole string, and this is the convert function. Now what you'll do in this whole like starter function is you will convert this string s using this convert function, you will convert this t string using the convert function. So both of these strings are converted into the new string by doing these operations, and you just have to check that whether both of the converted strings are same. Okay, and then you just do an equal sign. If they are same, the answer is true, else answer is false. So it's a boolean expression. It's now looking a very clean code in which you just write on one function and then calling both of these strings with the same function and then just checking out whether they are same or not. So this is an O of n operation, and so it is an O of n here, O of n here, and then you're doing a complete comparison of the both the strings. So it is an O of n here, so O of n 3 times, so 3 O n, which is eventually O of n only. That's the overall code for this particular problem. If you still have any doubts, you can mention it. It's a very simple problem, but you still have any doubts, you can mention it in the comment box of this particular video. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I will see you in the next one. Like coding, and bye.